I'm going to show you how to do an activity with Take the Word Apart using the Oakland Reads site. So just a reminder, you can always change your home language up here to your preferred language, or on a mobile device, it will be under Menu. So I'm going to go to How Reading Works and then to Knowing the Most Common Words. And then you can see here there are kindergarten sight words, first and second grade sight words, and irregular challenge sight words. So here are the kindergarten sight words. We also call them high frequency words because they are words that appear a lot in books. The more that we can get kids to recognize these words quickly, the better, but they don't have to just memorize them. We can help them take the words apart so they connect the sounds of the words with the letters. So I'm going to choose a few words from this list and write them down, and then give my child a blank sheet of paper for them to write the word down when it's time. So the first thing we would do is look at the word and ask them, what are the names of each of the letters in this word? And if they need help, we can do it with them. A, N, D. And then we can count them. How many letters? 1, 2, 3. Now you ask, how can you say each of the sounds that are in this word? Again, n, d, and. And there's 3 sounds. Then I would cover the word and draw boxes for how many sounds there are in this word. So here's the 1 box for each sound. And now it's time for you each to write the word. And we'll do it sound by sound. So d. Then each of you show each other your work, and you ask the child, read the word you wrote. Is it the same as the word that we practiced? Then you can look back up and they can see if it's the same or not. For both, there's only 3 boxes because it's B, O, and then TH makes a th sound, so that's just 1 sound. For like, I put 4 boxes because the magic E makes the I say its name, so there's 3 sounds but 4 letters. So Ike, but I left the 4th box to remind them to put the silent E. For 2nd or 3rd grade, you do pretty much the same thing, but we can also divide it up by syllables. So in letter combinations, you can ask the child, what letter combinations make each of the sounds in this word? And can you break the word into syllables? So for every, first I would say, let's break it down into syllables. Every, 3 syllables. Now let's do sounds. E, so 5 sounds. So then they would write the sound every, sound by sound. These are just some other words I chose that you could practice with. And for the regular sight syllables in 2nd grade, 3rd grade, we use those to add on to words at the beginning or the end of the word to make a new word. So those come from here. And I chose able and full. And I'm just going to show the child other words that I can make with that. So able, we made enable, disable, capable. And with full, I made grateful, peaceful, harmful. And you could do the same thing where you ask the child about the letter combinations, breaking it into syllables, and then do the same thing where you write the word and then read it back.